Good morning, students. Let us start. Does it look the same? Part 4, Mathematics Class 5. In this video, we will learn about half turn. We will turn the objects half. Then we will see how does it look like. Okay. Look at this circle. Now this arrow. What will happen if I turn it full turn? Let us see. Okay, see this. Once again observe. When we turn an object full, it completes one cycle. It completes one circle. Okay, look at this. Okay, so at the center of the circle, complete angle is 360 degree. So 360 degree is called as full turn. Okay, 360 degree is called as full turn. And when the object will full turn, it will complete the cycle. What will be the half of 360 degree? Yes, 180 degree. So let us see half turn. Again see the circle. What will happen? If something is on upside, will come downside like this. The arrow is upside. If I will turn half, so it will come down. Okay, again see. If this is an object, you can see this arrow. If I turn it half, it is appear in down and opposite. Okay, so when we turn an object with 180 degree angle, it is half turn. So half turn makes image opposite sometime. Okay, and sometime it doesn't make image opposite. When it is possible, let us see. Half a turn. Once there was a king. He was upset because thieves kept stealing costly jewels from his locker. Here is what the locker looked like. Okay, you can see this is locker head. Locker head looks like this, and this is turn half. It become locked, and we turn half again, so it become open. Okay, so you can see when I turn it a half, this yellow portion will come here and this portion will come here. So it is not clear whether it is lock or unlock. Okay, we will have to turn half. The image this come down and down image come up. This image come right, right image come left. So it is not clear whether the lock is open or closed. So thief steal the costly jewels. So the locker could be opened by giving its half turn. Another half turn, the locker would be locked again. Okay, this is locker head. Let's see, if I give it half turn, it becomes like complete turn. Okay, so king was confused whether it is closed or open. So it is easy for thieves to take the things out from the locker. Okay, so the king would often have the locker open thinking it was locked. Can you guess the reason why it was thinking? He was thinking like this because after turning half, it doesn't make any difference. Okay, so what could be the solution? One day, his clever daughter gave him an idea which he liked very much. Now he never got confused. Can you guess what is the idea? Yes, the king asked daughter to put a dot on the yellow blades like this. Okay, she put a dot over yellow blade, and when yellow blade is upside, it is open, and when I will turn it half, this black portion will come here with this yellow dot, and this yellow without black will come here. So when yellow dot is on upside, black dot is on upside, then it is open, and if it is downside, it is closed. So now the king is clear about this. Okay, so he gave half turn, and this yellow black combination come down means closed. So now it was clear. Okay, now see, the king had many such lockers which would handles, which with different handles. Check if one give them half turn, he can get confused with these two. He has many other lockers with this kind of head. What will happen? When I will turn this, no difference will come because this is line of symmetry. When there is a line of symmetry, half turn doesn't make any change. Okay, look at this. Only this head. I have turned this head opposite, but this is same because there exists a line of symmetry. If there exists a line of symmetry, half turn doesn't make any difference in the shape. So king was again confusing this, but what can be done? He can put another design here. Now this is closed or locked, and this is open. When this red circle is down, it is close open, and it up, it is closed. So in this way we can do. Let us see another locker head. This is the locker. I have turned this half, doesn't make any difference. Again, doesn't make any difference, doesn't make any difference. So this locker will again confusing whether it is closed or open if half turn is there. So the same solution can be done. Same after half turn. Let us see some objects, some shapes, whether it will be same after half turn or not. Look at the girl. Legs are down, hands are up. If I will give her a half turn, what will happen? The girl will stand on hands and legs will be up. Now see, this is a square. What will happen if I will turn this square half? Okay, because there exists a line of symmetry in square. So if I will turn it half, turn it half means turning by 180 degree. Okay, 180 degree. So what will happen when I will turn it by 180 degree? This top portion will come down and down portion will go up. But as there exists a line of symmetry in this square, so it will not change its shape. Okay. Now see this rectangle. What will happen? Again, I know there exists a line of symmetry. So if I will turn half, what will happen? This portion will come here. Okay. So it will be same after turning half. Again see. Again see this circle. Again I will turn this circle. So it will be again same after half turn. So many object will be same after half turn. Many object will be changed after half turn, depending upon if there can be a line of symmetry like this, and like this. Two line of symmetry should be there. If both line of symmetry will be there, then half turn will not make any difference. Okay, because these three shapes have both line of symmetry. If one horizontal and one vertical lines have line of symmetry, then it will half turn will make no difference. Okay. Now see this girl. It have a vertical line of symmetry. If straight line will come here, and it has a horizontal, but this is not the line of symmetry. Means when it doesn't have both line of symmetry, means when I will turn it down, this portion will go up, and this is not same as this. So for having same object after half turn, it should have both line of symmetry. Okay, so I hope you must have understand the significance of both line of symmetry. Now see 180 degree. Half turn means turn by 180 degree. Let us turn this rectangle half. Doesn't make any difference. It is same. Look at this triangle. As this has vertical line of symmetry, but it doesn't have horizontal line of symmetry. Means when I will turn this, it will change. Look at this. So now when I have turned half, one point came down and two came up. So here one vertex was up, here one vertex is down. So after turning half, it changes. Look at this hexagon. It will also not change after half turning. Look at this pentagon. Pentagon will change. Okay. One vertex up, but here one vertex down. So these are some shapes which changes after 180 degree or half turn, and there are some shapes which doesn't change after half turn. So I hope you have understand some basic idea about the half turn. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe the channel if you have not subscribed till now. Thank you.